Are you guys ready for a fun one today? What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. For those of you who are longtime followers of the channel, we originally reviewed one of its first of its kind water blasters from Spyra back in the day, and we are back today, and this video is in no way sponsored from them, with some of their latest water guns, the Spyra Go, and this is one of them right here. They come in its basically typical two color patterns, the blue one right here, and also we now have the red one as well. So we're gonna actually take a look at both of these and really unbox them for you, set them up, and show you just how well they work. These aren't your typical water guns. Let me set these right back down on the side and take a look at this. They also sent us some of their water bombs as well. These are pretty cool. Didn't even expect it. Huge shout out to Spyra for sending these out for us, but let's go ahead, throw that to the side and jump right into it. We will even do a side-by-side comparison in a future video for the original Spyra blasters to show just how significantly smaller and more compact these new Go versions are. Let's jump into it. So what we're gonna do, let's go ahead and take these water bombs, throw them to the side right now, and begin with the main versions of what you wanna see, and those are the Spyra Go blasters. And right from the packaging alone, it looks very familiar, but still updated. Obviously, you can see it has that new express refill, which actually leads to more refills faster than what it was prior. Beforehand, it had to absorb it through a mechanism to suck in the water from a bucket. Now it actually has an opening right back here that will allow you to simply pour water in. And it has an LED indicator for a light signaling for primed blasts and battery status. Single shot technology, so it doesn't have those different modes. It is simply a single shot. Next level gameplay, clear hits, consistent pressure, and express reloads like we said. I actually like this packaging very nicely. You can see the difference from Spyra when they started out to some of this new stuff that they're offering here. And again, kind of quick instructions, very simple to read. And right off the bat, you can see the length is only 21.3 inches, significantly smaller than what the original versions were. That will show you in that future video. Again, express refill, LED indicator. You guys get the idea here. I do like the fact that it does have a clear tank, so you can see how much water is in here and you can gauge the water level as needed. So let's go ahead, pull this piece of tape off from both these sides and jump right into the actual packaging. Woo! And there it is right off the bat. Slide this right out. And there it is. Again, if you're familiar with what Spyra offers, you would know just how much smaller this is than the original ones were. So it does come, as you can see here, with a USB-A to USB-C cable. Glad to see it is charging with the USB-C mode now, as well as a little screwdriver, an instruction book. Chuck that right to the side. Let's go ahead and unwrap these right here. All right, so here it is. It is so much more easy to manage one-handed, or if you have little kids that wanted to use the other ones that had to really use two hands, now you don't really have to worry about that. As you can see, the LED indicator comes right on, and you can hear it ready to go. If you hold the trigger down, that is what you get. No more multi-direction trigger here. It only goes one way. And now, the best part, like we were talking about, is that finally express refill. This whole piece slides right back, and that is your water tank right there. So yeah, much easier, much lighter than what it was in the past. I will take it. Definitely a good looking water gun. So let's set this one down to the side and go for the blue one. And here is what the blue blaster looks like. Again, LED right on top, and you can hear the power there, which is very cool. The one thing I wish wasn't what it appears here is that little screwdriver you saw does have a screw on the charging port, so it's not as easy as just flipping up. Again, I'm sure that's just to seal in the actual compartment there for the charging mechanism. It doesn't want to get wet, so I can understand it. It is a little bit of a pain, but long story short, not a big deal. Again, water tank on the side there. And let's set this baby down and compare it to the red one as well. I don't think you can go wrong with either one of these models. Really going to be a personal preference for which one you want to go with. I will call out, it does recommend a 2-hour charge time when you need to fully recharge. And usually before you use them, you want that first initial charge to be complete. Again, 75 blasts per full tank. That's actually pretty good. Let's go ahead, pour some water in this baby and check it out. And it's that easy to load. Again, you can see the water level indicator there. Makes that so much easier than in the past. So yeah, as you can see, definitely a lot of promise with this. Super excited to use these. And yeah, I mean, this is night and day over what the original was. Now, on to that added benefit and bonus that they sent us. These little Spyra Blast reusable magnetic water bombs look phenomenal. We actually have some of the older, cheaper ones that people use all the time for actually just, pool days and all that. This seems to be a more modern take on those. Let's open these up. So again, pretty minimalistic packaging here. It looks really nice. 6 of these balls come in one pack. Refill in just a second. Literally, it's magnetic, so it will enclose once you submerge it in water. Next level water bottle, reusable, self-sealing, durable, anti-slip. Not too much to it. Let's just open it up. So you can see 3 red, 3 blue, 2 match the sets. And we'll just pull one each of the colorways out, and you can see just how good they are. And okay, yeah, they are very good with the magnetic piece, and they do have these little pieces of grip. I hope the camera's picking up for you guys, to easily grab them and toss them. So if you're not familiar with them, all you're gonna do is when you submerge them in water, they will actually close up, make a full ball, as you can see here, and you throw them and they will basically be a water bomb and explode on your unsuspecting targets. Pretty cool added bonus. So as you guys can see, Spyra has come a long way. Those new water bombs are awesome. The new Spyra Go themselves, the water guns, mwah, I can't wait to actually use these this summer. It's gonna be awesome. The little one loves it. She used the other larger ones, like I said, and yeah, wasn't a fan just because of how heavy and how you had to use 2 hands at all times using them. These might be it. I'll throw a link up down below for you guys to pick up. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of these new products that they offered as opposed to the other ones? And if you had any of the other ones, are you still gonna buy these in addition to it? They're a fraction of the price from what the originals were, so let us know. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.